Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have found the perfect mirror for my bedroom and I want to tell you all about it. This mirror is absolutely beautiful. It has a flawless reflection. It has a beautiful border around it that's well made. And I think my favorite thing about it is the bumpers that come with it. I was really nervous about hanging it above my door. I thought that it would rattle and clink and maybe break every time I opened and closed my door, but that did not happen. These bumpers are preventing it from going anywhere. I live in a rowdy house with kids and pets, and I know that this mirror is not going to break, and that peace of mind is very rewarding. It's great for putting on my makeup and getting ready for the day, for doing my hair, and making sure that I don't look quite such a mess when I leave the house. I also love how easy it was to install. It came very nicely packaged, and I had it hung within moments all by myself. So this mirror is fantastic. I love how easy it was to install, and I love how beautiful it looks. But that's just my point of view.